Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Let's talk about something about MBBS. I wish someone had told me this before I started MBBS. Not about books, not about lectures, but about what this journey actually does to you. Because MBBS is not just a degree, it's test you of your patience, your confidence, and sometimes even your identity. If you are in MBBS right now or about to start, this video might save you from a lot of confusion, stress, silent struggles. MBBS is not about intelligence. The first thing I wish I knew, MBBS is not about being smart. You can be a topper in school and still struggle here, because this is not about the intelligence. It's about consistency, discipline, and the ability to keep going on even when nothing makes sense. There will be the days when you study for hours and still feel like you know nothing. It doesn't mean you are not capable. It just means you are in MBBS. You will feel lost, and it's normal. No one tells you this, but feeling lost is the part of the process. In the beginning, everything feels new, everything feels heavy, and everyone around you seems like they understand more than you. But the truth is, most people are just as confused. They are just better at hiding it. If you feel like you are falling behind, you are not. You are just learning. Comparison will destroy your peace. Another thing I wish I knew, comparison in MBBS is dangerous. There will always be someone who studies more than you, someone who scores higher than you, someone who looks more confident than you. But constantly comparing yourself will only make you feel worse. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be better than you were yesterday. That's enough. You don't have to be perfect. MBBS has this silent pressure to be perfect. Perfect student, perfect notes, perfect answers. But chasing perfection will exhaust you. You will make mistakes, you will forget things, you will have bad days. That's okay, because progress matters more than perfection. Burnout is real. I wish I knew how real burnout is. There will be times when you can't focus. You feel tired all the time. Even opening a book feels heavy. You will think you are being lazy, but sometimes you are just mentally exhausted. Take breaks, rest without guilt, because you can't pour from an empty mind. It changes you. MBBS will changes you. You will become stronger, more patient, more aware of life and death. But at the same time, you might feel more quiet, more distant, and that's okay. You are growing in ways you don't even realize yet. You are doing better than you think. There will be moments when you feel like you are not doing enough, like everyone is ahead, like you are not made for this. But listen carefully. If you are still trying, still showing up, still opening your books even on hard days, you are doing better than you think. MBBS is hard. There is no denying that. It's also shaping you into someone stronger, someone more resilient. And one day you will look back and realize you survived something that once felt impossible. So if you are struggling right now, don't give up. You are not alone in this journey. Maybe you are exactly where you need to be. If this helped you even a little, just remember, you are not the only one figuring this out.